back from the dead.
Hello and welcome to this new video. If you wish to modify a window on your 3D scene, you have two options. Option A with the control panel, ideal if the settings are similar to the window to be edited. Option B with the components options in the contrary situation. To be as clear as possible, we will show you both methods. We'll start with option A. Do not forget to select the icon, interact with dynamic components. Then we will apply another material, egg and aluminum type metal. In the profiles option, the square glazing stop is perfect for a metal window. Just a warning, the LT version of Click Window offers only the quarter round glazing stop. To implement the new changes, just click on the window frame or the casing. Now we'll zoom into this detail to see the new glazing stop more closely. With the Pro version of Click Window, you can define the section of glazing stop and mutants to the smallest detail. We will see these functions in more advanced tutorials. For a more realistic situation, we will voluntarily replace the control panel by another which has the original settings. We will update the second window to see what happens. You'll notice that we just lost the basic settings. We'll take this opportunity to introduce another way to program your windows. Select the window you would like to edit and in the Dynamic Components toolbar, click the icon called Components option. The settings present in this work offer some options of the control panel. Any setting here will have priority, but beware, the slightest change requires the presence of the control panel on your scene. Otherwise SketchUp will stop working, and you will risk losing your work. In the drop-down menu select below value to impose dimensions of this window, as opposed to the control panel. Next you need to enter the height. Then the total width of your window. At the beginning of each option, there is a reference that exists on the control panel. For example, option 1.4 represents the icon 4 on the control panel when we choose the material settings. This applies to all the settings, which will allow you to quickly master these options. Now, choose from these 9 materials. Then select a glazing stop to define the profiles of your window. Then you can choose the amount of casements. To follow the aesthetic of the first window, do not forget to add a fan light. Then indicate the same value and height for a perfect alignment of the windows. If you want to look at these options visually, use the control panel. Among the different available mutants design, choose the colonial. Then define the amount of squares on the height. Do the same for the width. No limit exists in squares, but be careful, as a high amount will lengthen your loading time. To decorate your window frame, add a casing on 3 sides. Next, choose your handle. Remember, if you have any doubts, you can see the model's image on the control panel. Finally, choose your bottom panel and indicate the dimensions. To finish, just click Apply. We are delighted to have presented these 2 methods to create your windows. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. You will definitely find one that is most convenient for you. That's all for this tutorial. In the next video we will discover another window category. If you like our work, please support us by liking us on Facebook or by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Back from the dead.